So you want to store the sweet potatoes in an 85-degree moist, dark environment to increase the sugar content, so you have that nice fresh sweet flavor. And also it helps decrease bruises that have occurred during harvest. After you pick your potatoes, you don't want to wash them because washing them kills good bacteria and it shortens the shelf life. So don't wash the potatoes. The next step is curing the potatoes. Yes, you can cook the potatoes directly from the garden. It's not going to hurt you, but you're not going to get that sweet flavor. They're going to taste a little more starchy. The easiest, simplest way of curing the potato: place your potatoes in a plastic bag, and you want to place them in a warm, moist place. So if you don't have a sunroom or a basement or something like that, you can just take your potatoes and put them in a closet. And to get the closet heated up, all you have to do is use a space heater. So that's what I'm doing. Take the potatoes, zip them up to hold in the moisture. Take a space heater like this. Make sure you want the temperature to be 80 to 85 degrees. You can also take a blanket because you want it to be in a dark place as well. Cover a blanket or a towel over the area, so that way if you're using a closet, you might turn the light on occasionally to get to your clothes. So you want them to cure anywhere from 4 to 10 days. After that, you can store them 6 weeks, or you can just eat them after they're cured. But yeah, that's how you cure the sweet potatoes. The sweet potatoes have been cured and stored, and now it's time to make a sweet potato pie. So you want to wash the sweet potatoes first, wash all the dirt off of them like I've done. And then before you put them in the oven, you want to preheat the oven to 425 degrees. And you might want to stab your sweet potatoes with a fork. So sweet potatoes are good for the sacral chakra as well as the root chakra, but very good for opening and balancing the sacral chakra. We're going to put these in the oven and bake them for about 25 minutes. And then, once they've been baked, we're going to mush them up and mix them with all the ingredients here. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon or some type of cinnamon spice, and you want to have 4 teaspoons of butter or coconut oil, in this case, organic unrefined coconut oil. And instead of honey, I'm going to be using organic blackstrap molasses. They have a lot of health benefits. So 3/4 cup blackstrap molasses, 2 organic eggs beaten, and 3/4 cup vanilla almond milk to add a little vanilla flavor. So the oven has been preheated to 425 degrees. And now it's time to put the sweet potatoes in place. And we'll bake them for about 45 minutes until they're nice and soft. So I'm going to beat 2 eggs. Oh, there we go. 1. 2. 4 teaspoons butter, in this case, organic coconut oil. Organic coconut oil has a lot of antibacterial properties, and it's healthy fat. It's good for your thyroid. So 4 teaspoons of cinnamon or your favorite spice. In this case, we're going to be using this pumpkin spice because it has cinnamon and cloves and a lot of other good stuff in it. 2. And 3. And then you want 3/4 cup honey, or I'm going to be using organic blackstrap molasses, which are a great source of potassium and vitamin B6, which can help balance hormones. So about 3/4 of a cup. And then 1/4 cup milk. In this case, I'm using vanilla almond milk for a vanilla flavor. This is 1/4 cup. Bottom. Mix it all together. So this is an organic, gluten-free pie crust made with rice flour, cane sugar, water, tapioca starch, baking soda, and guar gum. Potatoes are doing. So, voila. You take your mashed sweet potatoes and you mix them with all these ingredients until smooth, and then you simply pour it into your gluten-free pie shell. We'll put it in the oven for about 45 to 60 minutes.